Hi, welcome to Piku Chiku Funland. Amazing animal facts. Hey, kiddos. Welcome to Amazing Animal Facts. I am your host, Piku, and today we are going on an adventure to learn some super cool things about animals. Are you ready, kiddos? Let's go. Our first stop is the jungle. Look over there. It's a tiger. Did you know that tigers are the biggest cats in the world? And they love to swim. Unlike most cats, tigers enjoy taking a dip in rivers and lakes to cool off. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Subscribe for part 2.